This is the small flat folding fire pit from Winnerwell. As you can see, it's a pretty small package. We're going to open it up, check it out, and do a bit of an overview on the small Winnerwell flat fire pit. When you open it up, there's not a whole lot to it. You've got some instructions, and then your fire pit comes in two pieces. There's the base section, and then the main fire pit dish itself. And these both fold really nice and flat to make them super portable. To set up your flat fire pit, you simply pop out the base piece and place it down. This then does the same thing, pops up and sits on top, and there you have it. As you can see, it's a really nice little compact fire pit, and the reason it's called the flat folding fire pit is because when you're done with it, it simply folds away. You can see how you could take this with you pretty much anywhere. It could easily go in a backpack or just stay in the car for when you're ready for a fire. And then to set it up, it's as easy as popping out the base, putting the top on, and you're right to go. Once it's set up, it measures 21 centimeters by 21 centimeters and it weighs 1.2 kilos. So it is a really small fire. We do have 4 of these in the range, so you can watch all of our videos and try and find the right sized fire pit for you. But if you need a super portable compact solution, then the small sized flat fire pit from Winnerwell is the one for you.